What's up, you guys? It's your girl Amber the Baddie, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am a mess. I'm a mess. My voice is gone, so I apologize. I've been crying all day. I may or may not have just done some mushrooms, so I'm feeling all of the feels. But I'm making this video because I'm retiring. I am retiring as a dancer. Oh my God, there's so much here to unpack. Now this decision I've been feeling it for a while, right? This year especially, dancing has not been my primary source of income, thankfully. Me and my husband have a food truck, and I've been putting a lot of my energy and intention and time into that. And also time on my YouTube channel. And as I'm here in Vegas right now, I was really expecting this to be like this amazing money-making trip, this just beautiful experience like it has been in the past for me so many times coming to Vegas. It's probably my 10th time coming to Vegas. But this specific time, it's been different. It hasn't felt the same. It hasn't been the same. And it's not Vegas that's different. It's me that is different. It's me being in a different place. It is me not feeling aligned at the strip club. And it's really my intuition and my higher self and God and the universe saying, sweetheart, you've got the magic from stripping. You've done it. You've made your money. You've traveled. But now it's time for something else. Now it's time for something else, and I feel so good about it. Like, yes, I'm crying, and it's been so much for me because, like, I started dancing at like 18 years old. I'm 25 now, and I really feel like the strip club has raised me. Like, of course your parents raise you as a child, but I feel like the strip club has really raised me as an adult. And I have so much love for the strip club. I have so much gratitude. I have so many blessings that I have received from being a stripper. And it's hard to let go of. It's definitely scary. It's definitely been such a big part of my identity these last 7 years of my fucking life of like, yes, I'm a stripper and I've done so much work, not really even online, but like just in the normal world of really changing people's perspective on strippers. Like, people meet me and they're like, what, you're a dancer? Like, I would not expect strippers to be like you. You're nice, you're humble, you're not materialistic, you're smart with your fucking money, you travel, you go backpacking, you're like, I really break down so many stereotypes of what a stripper is. And in the same breath, a stripper has been my identity. It's been who I am. It's been a part of me. And it still is, and it always will be. But I feel like for this chapter of my life, I'm being called to let it go. And I did not expect myself to be so emotional and to be crying so fucking much. I did not expect this at all, but it's bringing up so much for me, and it's almost just like parting ways with a lover who you love so dearly, and you know they're not your life partner, you know they're not your soulmate, you've had amazing times together, you've grown together, but it's time to go your separate ways. And it's bittersweet. It's bittersweet, and I feel so much gratitude for being a stripper. Like, my life is fucking amazing. And I say, and I really feel like so much of that is because I've had this beautiful opportunity to be a dancer. I've traveled across the world. I've been to over 20 countries. I've been backpacking for 9 months. I lived in a van. I've lived in fucking Europe. Like, I've done so many amazing things that would not have been possible for me if I was not a stripper. And it's like, as I got older and as I started to really just have the space and the money and the clarity to think, okay, cool, stripping is nice, I love it, but what's next for me? And I've been thinking that what's next for me for like the past 5 years. It's not just like, okay, I'm a stripper, that's cool, but I've always had the mindset of like, okay, what's next? I've always been an entrepreneur. I've always been wanting to have my own businesses. I've always been investing in myself. Over the past few years, I'm a certified yoga teacher. I've had drop shipping businesses. I started a lingerie brand. Me and my husband have a food truck. I'm a fucking trained social media manager and marketer. I've spent like more than $50,000 investing in myself and in my knowledge and in my fucking skills. And what's coming through for me so fucking clearly right now is it's time to truly use my skills outside of the strip club. Yes, the strip club was this beautiful incubator for me to get my confidence, understand my self-worth, have boundaries, get that clear vision of what I wanted in my life, to have fun in my early 20s, to travel, to do, explore my sexuality without having to be all up in the fucking streets. And it's been great. It's been so fucking amazing, and I love it so much. I cherish it so much. But this evolution of who I'm stepping into is not aligned with being a stripper anymore. Usually when I come to Vegas, I'm having so much fun. I'm meeting awesome people. But this trip has just showed me, like, it's so fake. Like, I know who I am. I'm such a fucking beautiful person. I bring so much to the table. My energy is a gift. My energy is a fucking gift. And I don't feel like I'm being valued enough at the strip club. I don't feel like people are truly seeing me for who I am. I don't feel like I'm using my gifts. I don't feel like I'm nurturing beautiful, authentic connections in the strip club, and my soul is no longer available for that anymore. My soul is not available for anything but fucking real. Nothing but real is accepted into my world anymore, and because of that, I have to let stripping go. I have to let stripping go. And do I regret it? Abso-fucking-lutely not. Would I recommend it for other women? Absolutely. Like, I have no regrets. It made me into such a beautiful person. But I feel complete. I feel like this chapter is finished. I'm ready to move on. I'm ready to have my full energy. I'm ready to sleep normal hours, y'all. I'm ready to fucking nourish my body and to be on a good routine. I'm ready to pour myself fully and completely into my gifts and into my soul's work. And that's what I'm being called to do. I've come to a place in my life where it's like, I know exactly what I want. I know exactly who I am. I know exactly what I bring to the table. I know exactly what I'm working for. I know what my fucking gifts are. I know that I am fucking worthy. And being so clear on what I know, it also means that I cannot accept anything less than. It means having stronger boundaries. It means putting my full self and my soul and my energy and everything I have into what is truly meant for me. And it feels good, y'all. Like, I know I'm crying and I look like a fucking hot mess and I'm like low-key embarrassed about fucking posting this, but I will anyway because like I'm already 12 minutes in, what the fuck? But it's like, I am so excited. It feels good. Like, I have one more night here in Vegas and I was like, you know, I can work one more night. My last night as a stripper, make it this fucking, you know, huge thing. But it's like, no, it doesn't have to be. Like, I am content. I am good. I don't care if I could make more money. I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. It's like I feel so complete in this chapter. And it's like I've been toying with the idea like, oh, I'm gonna dance less. Maybe I'll just come to work in Vegas like once every 2 or 3 months. But like my intuition is saying like, no, bitch, you're done. Put it to the side. I'm not saying I'm never gonna strip again because I probably will, right? But like, it's time to really complete this chapter. And I'm feeling good about it, y'all. Like, I really am. I'm obviously still here to support you guys. I will still be making stripper content. I'm still here for all my baddies, but, okay? What is your exit plan? Yes, you want to get into this, but what next? What next? What are you working towards? And I'm going to tell you right fucking now, it's not the Gucci bags. It's not a new fucking car. Live your best life. Travel, experience the world, because there will come a day where you are over it, you're burnt out, you don't want to do it, it doesn't feel aligned. And I don't want you to feel like your time is wasted or like, oh, I wish I would have done more. Nah, bitch, do it now. Live your best fucking life. Live it to the max. Make as much money as you can. Save up, invest in yourself, and know that your chapter will also close. And it's going to be beautiful. And yes, it's scary. And it's like bringing up so much for me, right? But I am fucking excited to boss the fuck up. Like, I know in my heart that, like, yes, I'm not a stripper anymore, but I fucking guarantee you, I'm gonna be at a point next year, I'm calling it in next year, where I am making 60 grand a month, doing something else that's not stripping, making 60 grand a month, hosting retreats, actually helping people, transforming fucking lives. I am meant for more, and it's like, I feel like my audience is changing. I don't give a fuck about these horny men. Like, they are so irrelevant to me. I'm here for the women. I love women. I need my community of sisters, and like, that is really where I'm being drawn to. So thank you guys for being here on this journey with me. I feel so honored to be your guide and your muse and an inspiration just as much as you are for me. Like, this community has really helped me to just show up for myself in a way that I never knew that I could, and so grateful and like so excited for us all to just boss the fuck up. A season of bossing up is here, and for like any of you dancers who are feeling the same, you're not like feeling super aligned to the strip club anymore, you're kind of over it, just know that you have so much success. It's so much potential. And like, yes, there's good money in this, but also there's great money, great happiness, great fulfillment, great joy in whatever the fuck else you decide to do after this. So I love you guys. Thank you for witnessing me here in my fucking emotional mess. And we're on this journey together. I love you so much. Comment below if this shit resonated with you at all. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like, what the fuck? And I will see you in another video.